If you grew up in India, you probably remember the sound of an old kerosene stove, that loud hissing noise, the smell of fuel in the kitchen, black soot sticking to utensils, and smoke filling the room while cooking. For most people, this was just normal life, but one man looked at that same stove and thought, there has to be a better way. This is the story of Niranjan Prasad Sharma, a stove repair mechanic who quietly redesigned the traditional kerosene stove. He was not working in a big company, he did not have advanced engineering degrees, he repaired stoves for a living, and that became his classroom. Every day, broken stoves arrived at his shop. He saw the same problems again and again: too much smoke, too much fuel waste, too much noise. And slowly, he became obsessed with fixing it. Most people repair machines. Niranjan Prasad Sharma started rethinking how the machine itself should work. After years of experimenting, he developed a modified stove that heated kerosene before combustion. The fuel turned into a finer vapor-like form and burned much more cleanly. The result? A quieter blue flame, less smoke, less soot on utensils, and lower fuel consumption. For families depending on kerosene every single day, that mattered a lot. Because this was not just about engineering, it was about kitchens, expenses, health, daily life. And perhaps the most inspiring part of the story is where the innovation came from. Not from a modern laboratory, not from a giant appliance company, but from a small repair shop where one mechanic kept asking questions nobody else cared about. Even with limited education and financial struggles, he continued experimenting with burners, engines, fuel systems, and combustion designs. He simply refused to stop learning. His work was later recognized through the National Innovation Foundation during the National Grassroots Innovation Awards. But honestly, the real achievement was something bigger. He proved that innovation does not always begin with invention. Sometimes it begins with irritation, with seeing the same everyday problem so many times that you finally decide to fix it yourself.